In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a community post on YouTube on your mobile device. So this should work on Android and iOS as well. Now before I show you how you can do this, I want to give you a quick disclaimer. So in order to get access to the community post, you actually need to have 1K subscribers. So you need at least 1,000 subscribers in order to do this. I'll put up a screenshot right now. As you can see right there, this is on Google, and these are the requirements that you need in order to get access to that. But if you do have 1K subscribers, then you can do this. Now, please keep in mind that once you hit 1K, it might take a few weeks or days to actually get access to the tab. But once you're here, you want to go to YouTube and click on the create icon right there. And then once you do that, you will get the opportunity to click on story right there, but that's because I have over 10K subscribers. But you want to pay attention to post right there. So post stands for a post on the community tab, and once you're here, you can then create your post, and you can then post on your community tab, of course. So you can say whatever you want to. So let's just say this is how you can post on your community tab. And right now we have a few options. So you can post this right away, or you can schedule the post. And you can do that by clicking on the clock icon at the top right corner, then click on schedule post, and you can then select a time and also a date, okay? Then click on done. Now you can also add polls, so you can add different options and people can then vote. So you can do that. And you can also, let's see, add images from your phone. But that's pretty much how you can create a community post on your phone. So once again, please keep in mind that for this, you need to have 1K subscribers. And even though like you might hit 1K today, 1K yesterday, it can still take a few days to actually get the community tab. I believe it took like 5 or 6 days for me to actually get access to the community tab, even though I had already hit 1K subscribers. But that's just for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions. Please consider leaving a like, that would help me out. And yeah, have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.